Good morning, Texans. Today is Thursday, April 2nd, 2020, and it's time for our morning announcements. We'll start with our Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now the state of Texas. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. And we'll observe a moment of silence. And just a reminder, seniors, make sure that you get your scholarship offers, get those all listed out, all of the different offers you've received, whether you took them or not, get them listed out with the amount, the dollar amount, and get those either to your counselor or to our counseling assistant, Ms. Charlene Jackson, and we'll get those added to our list. And seniors, today is the big day. Today from 9 to 11, we'll have you pull through, and again, you're going to stay in your cars, you can't get out of the cars. Going to pull through. Our Jostens representatives are going to hand you your senior regalia, and then we want you to go home, try on your senior regalia, and then use the hashtag Texans Gonna Graduate. We'll get that fired out on Twitter and just kind of share that out. And so it's Texans Gonna Graduate. And fire out those pictures for us so that we can see that and celebrate that with you. And that is all I have for you today. Texans, I love you, I miss you, and I hope you make it a great day.